comprende. Comprehend. Sorry guys if it's like not a good, not straight up. I'm not good at angling too well. So all these trees. I don't know if y'all guys heard that, but that was a weird sound. You didn't hear anything? It sounded like, huh? Supposedly the parallel forest is haunted, but I don't believe in that. I don't believe that. If you guys see anything, comment down below. Sorry, I was aiming it up so high. I'm a little slow. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna start paying attention and looking down. Last time me and my dad came, we came with my cousin, and it kind of feels like you're gonna get lost, but I don't know, we got spit back out for some reason. It's like a little maze. It's just a matter of fact of, can you go back to your car? Can you get back? With all these trails, do you think you could find your way back home? I don't know, man. Only one way to find out.
I'm so scared. There's something chasing me. Something chasing me.
Good view, right, guys? Oh, wow. We're stuck in a tree. That's nature for you.
I think we got lost.
Think so? Look, guys, there's a plane up there. I don't think y'all could see it. I can't. Oh, there it goes. My bad, guys.
I've seen a car. I think I know where the road is.
This is straight down to where the vehicle is. So, like, eventually.
If you look at them from up top, it looks like an upside down star.
Think so?
If you look at it from up high, it looks like a star right here. That they do like. There's a deer. There's a deer running through over there. Check him out.
Wow.
There's a deer running through this trail. I've lost him, but I did see him running across.
Yeah, I did see him.
You seen him too?
Yeah.
So there was one. There had to have been another.
Probably.
So that was the scream you heard. It was the deer.
Yeah. It made a weird noise though.
You hear it? It was still making the sound.
I see it.
Do you see it? Is it still hanging around over there?
I think so.
It's possible because I didn't see him run on no more.
No, I don't see it. I think it took off somewhere.
So it's running straight.
Oh,
down.
I see it. Straight down
Oh
that
yeah,
way.
there he is. Oh, it's looking at us.
I can't see it on video.
It's looking right at us. That's fucking awesome. And it's moving on.
I don't think I got him on record, but I did see it in person. I think it was right here. I missed it. Sorry, guys.
I still see it.
Oh, I still see it too.
Oh, that's pretty cool. We've seen a deer walking through these trails.
Okay, guys, so there's a deer over there somewhere. Pretty cool. You don't really see things unless if you look pretty hard. Such a big trail, such a big place, so much things to keep your eye on.
Blend in with your surroundings, so you don't get a-
Yeah, because guys, we're in the wildlife refuge, and you know, there's wildlife animals out here. Just gotta be prepared. Snakes, anything you could think of besides, like, you know, crazy animals like zoo animals. What do you guys think? Are we lost?
Yeah.
Nah. If we go back that way, we'll be straight to all the vehicles.
Oh, yeah. That's the car over there.
Oh yeah, you're right. See, straight across now is exactly where the car is. And we was just all the way over there. That tells you something. They want us to get lost. No, I'm just kidding. Thought I saw something move. Go ahead, Dad, you go first.
Over here and talking, and it was my video I was recording, and I was trying to post it on Instagram. And I was like, whoa, I'm hearing voices. I was freaking out. You come in places like this, you're supposed to have a clear mind, and you got anything crazy going through your mind, you start hearing stuff.
Yeah.
It's like breakfast on you.
Sorry guys if I'm just kind of like recording in the same directions.
This tree fell over. It just derooted. That's crazy. Maybe a buffalo knocked it over. Look, there's something messed around in here. Look, there's a bunch of footprints in here, like something just shielded out here for a whole night or something. All that dirt is all disturbed. It's not flat like here.
This is what he's talking about. This is all flat dirt, and then
All up in there. It looks like it's the whole of the family split in there.
goes to flat. I do keep hearing something though. Guys, again, comment down below if you see anything. See an animal or something. More likely, if you do see something, you'll be seeing an animal. Because there was no vehicles here, so there shouldn't be anyone out here. Not a single soul should be out here. Besides me and my dad. So comment down below if you see something. Because I would like to know myself.
That's pretty wild. Why is it like that? It is...
Look at this tree. So much noises. You hear birds, you hear movement. We entered a dead end. What, Dad, you hear that? I think so. I heard a lot of movement.
Yeah. Probably heard us and us standing still watching this.
No, I hear movement.
You still do?
Yeah. Hopefully it's just a deer.
Alright, now nothing big wants to kill us. Alright, we're gonna get lost in here. We're out of a parallel forest. Now let's get on some trail that leads to this water hole. We found two fence animals down here by the water hole.
You hear that?
The bird.
It sounds like a sneeze.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There's something over there right now. There's a bird over there messing around in this bush. There he is.
What?
Bouncing on tree to tree.
What is it?
Bird. Little
Huh.
birdie.
Maybe that's all that sound. Birds just moving around.
It's possible. Oh yeah, we're gonna get lost. I can't even see the purple forest anymore.
I can. It's back there.
This tree just looks spooky.
Okay, guys, it's a little sketch. There's nothing but leaves, so there could easily be a snake under one.
I know, this is pretty close. I'm not happy. And there's gonna be so many trails to try to come back down on. We're gonna keep it fun getting out of here. We're giving us some water, so I'm wondering. I know it's over there. There's the creek bed. It's probably dry. Probably stop walking so much now. Yeah, it's right there. We're about to see beavers. Oh, that trail's been covered, but I see a trail right there.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
You can always be
That's a hell of a stick.
too prepared.
Well, you know, I heard you're not supposed to take nothing out here because it might have
Poison ivy?
like a spell on it and it bring you bad luck.
Well, I'm not gonna take it out of here. I'm gonna keep it here. I just want to keep it for protection.
Yeah, I hear you. Should we?
It's up to you.
It's a little tight here because of this tree.
Yeah. There is water right there, though.
I do see it. That's good shit on me. I thought I heard something. Ow! Oh, that's a thorn.
Yeah,
Thorn
don't
bush.
mess with that, Dad. Just leave it alone.
Try to get it out your way.
Go ahead, just go.
Yeah, we got to the water this time. Look at that tree is just leaned way over this way, over the water.
This is what we just came out from. There's thorns all over the place. Anything in the water?
The hawk. Something slipped here. Look, someone was walking here.
And
There's a
slipped.
footprint. Somebody slipped right there. It's not mine. Is it mine? Can't be mine. It looks like mine. I haven't stepped there yet.
No, it's probably someone else.
It's gotta be, but I guess those are mine. Cause see, I don't think I've been up there yet. Oh yeah, look, and there's work boots right here.
Yeah. Someone probably went across.
It kind of looks that way. It's dry over there.
Yeah.
So they have
It
to
looks
step
like there
on
is
there and
another
use the
trail.
trees to walk across.
Yeah, it doesn't look hard. But going up that tree looks a little tough. That one
Over
at
there,
the
yeah,
end.
it looks like that's how they had to go up, huh? They crawled up it. I'm curious now.
Do it. See what's over there. I know there's a trail. It'll just keep going to that mountain, I bet.
Yes, there's sheep ranch over here too. Animal paws too.
Look at that water, guys. It's all weird looking. And all you see is the freaking sun bright. Shining off. Oh, and I'm slipping. Yes. Good thing I did not bring my shoes out. Above me is just
Diaper right there, bro.
huge trees. Wow,
The diaper right there.
that's weird.
That is kind of weird.
Someone changing their baby out here? Guys, we're pretty deep into the freaking parallel forest, and although it doesn't feel like I've been walking that much, it's been 17 minutes now. And we've been walking in here for 17 minutes. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, this is the view, guys. We came in from over that, going over there. If we was to go to this trail, there's no telling where we would end up being, honestly. Because this is a low trail. Up that way, right next to that tree. Thought I heard something. Guys, it's a good thing. Like, if you ever do come out here, I'm in Lawton, Oklahoma. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. If you ever visit, just be aware there are animals, and they're wild animals, so you never know if they'll try attacking. And you're not supposed to do anything to the animals, you know, but you gotta protect yourself at all case. Yep. Rose bushes.
You got this down?
What?
Oh, they walking the tree down.
This is a terrible angle. Sorry guys, y'all can't see him get down. Kinda dipped. Now guys could see my big reflection. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I just like completely went through all these bushes besides this one. Okay guys, this video is already way too long. This video is way too long. Unfortunately, I'm only allowed to post 15 minutes, so I'll see you guys another day. If you want, like, for part 2,